Hey everybody, Lance here with Grillbillies BBQ in Wendell, North Carolina. I'm here with our mascot Brisket. Brisket, say hello to the camera. Okay, he's not going to cooperate. That's okay, that's Brisket. I'm standing here beside a Tagwood Santa Maria grill, also known as an Argentinian style grill. This is a unit that's 100% made out of 304 stainless steel. As you can see, it has what's called a gaucho style firebox, so you can load the firebox. Load the firebox with wood and charcoal. Use a scoop as it burns down to scoop it over for your fire. Got a couple different grill cooking sections. This is a cooking grill, so you can put steaks or anything on top of the firebox. Super duper hot. Sear steaks in minutes. 714 square inches of cook space on the total unit. This is a griddle that basically just pops out, and you can put the rod style cooking grates in it, or you can use the griddle as well. You can raise or lower this with this crank. As you can see, it's lined with fire brick, so it holds the heat very efficiently. It does come with a cover. It's got a water drainage system in it, so if it gets caught in the rain, it's fine. The water will just run out. Also, everybody's favorite, a beer opener. You gotta have a beer opener when you're out cooking. Again, this is we've looked for a Santa Maria style grill for years. We finally found this one. It's made in Florida, shipped out of Florida. Again, 304 stainless, never rust. Come see it at Grillbillies in Wendell. Check us out at grillbilliesbbq.com. Keep on grilling.